raise your hand.
Should you stretch before or after your workout? This question has divided athletes and gym-goers for years. Old school wisdom said deep stretching was essential before exercise, but new research has flipped that thinking, challenging tradition with science. Today, it's a debate between habit and evidence. When and how you stretch truly matters. In this video, we'll break down the science and show you how to stretch for real results. Before we decide when to stretch, let's clarify what we're talking about: static versus dynamic stretching. Static stretching means holding a muscle in a fixed position. Think touching your toes or pulling your arm across your chest. It's about relaxing and lengthening the muscle, aiming for long-term flexibility. Dynamic stretching, on the other hand, involves controlled, active movements, like leg swings, arm circles, or walking lunges. This style warms up your body, increases blood flow, and activates your nervous system for action. Static stretching is best for flexibility, but can temporarily reduce muscle power. Dynamic stretching preps your body for performance by mimicking workout movements. Knowing the difference is the first step to a smarter stretching routine. Let's see how this plays out before and after your workout. Should you stretch before you exercise? For years, static stretching was the go-to. But research shows that holding static stretches before training can actually reduce strength and power, what's called stretch-induced strength loss. Muscles need some stiffness to generate force, so loosening them too much beforehand can backfire. Instead, dynamic stretching is the proven way to warm up. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, jogging, cycling, or rowing. Then use dynamic moves like leg swings, bodyweight squats, or arm circles to activate the muscles you'll use. This approach boosts blood flow, mobility, and primes your nervous system for action. Save static stretching for later. Dynamic is your pre-workout hero. Let's talk about where static stretching fits best. Static stretching shines after your workout, not before. Post-exercise, your muscles are warm and more elastic, perfect for improving long-term flexibility. Holding stretches for 30 to 60 seconds helps your body shift into recovery mode and can gradually increase your range of motion. Focus on the muscles you just trained, like stretching your chest and shoulders after an upper body session. Make this 5 to 10 minute cool down a regular part of your routine. It's not just about flexibility, it's a mindful way to end your workout and kickstart recovery. Invest in your future mobility with post-workout static stretching. There are so many beliefs surrounding stretching, some helpful, others not so much. Let's bust some stretching myths that just won't die. We're going to dive deep into the science and separate fact from fiction. Myth 1. Stretching before a workout prevents injuries. It's a common practice, ingrained in many workout routines. In reality, dynamic warm-ups, not static stretches, are the key to preparing your body for exercise. Dynamic movements increase blood flow and flexibility, making them far more effective at reducing injury risk. Think arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Myth 2. Stretching stops post-workout soreness. Many believe a good stretch will ward off that next-day ache. Research shows it doesn't prevent DOMS. Delayed onset muscle soreness is a complex physiological response. The truth is, soreness comes from muscle micro-tears, tiny damages that occur during exercise, not a lack of stretching. Myth 3. Stretching should hurt. No pain, no gain, right? Wrong. Stretching should create mild tension, a gentle pull, never pain. Listen to your body. Pushing too hard can cause injury, leading to strains and setbacks in your fitness journey. Myth 4. More stretching is always better. If some is good, more must be better, right? Too much flexibility can actually make joints unstable, increasing the risk of dislocations and other joint-related issues. This is especially true for those prone to hypermobility, where joints are naturally more flexible. The goal is a healthy, functional range of motion, enough flexibility to perform daily activities with ease. We're aiming for practical mobility, not extreme flexibility that resembles a circus act. Quality and consistency in your stretching routine are paramount. Focusing on proper form and technique matters more than quantity or the duration of each stretch. Don't chase pain or overdo it. Stretch smart, paying attention to your body's signals. Use the right type of stretching at the right time, understanding the benefits of dynamic versus static stretching. That's how you get real results, improving your flexibility and overall well-being safely and effectively. Now let's put it all together and create a stretching routine that works for you. Alright, let's get down to the practical side of things. We're going to walk through exactly when and how you should be incorporating stretching into your fitness regimen. It's not just about touching your toes, it's about optimizing your performance and recovery. Let's map out your stretching game plan. Understanding the different types of stretches and when to use them is key to preventing injuries and maximizing the benefits. Pre-workout, the name of the game is activation. Focus on dynamic movements. These are controlled flowing motions that prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, just enough to get your heart rate up and your muscles warm. Think jogging in place, jumping jacks, or even a brisk walk. Then, transition into dynamic stretches, targeting the specific muscle groups you'll be using during your workout. This increases blood flow and improves range of motion. For lower body activation, try leg swings, moving your legs forward, backward, and side to side. Incorporate walking lunges, focusing on controlled movements and engaging your glutes and quads. And finish with bodyweight squats, paying attention to your form and depth. For upper body preparation, use arm circles, both forward and backward, to loosen up your shoulders, and band pull-aparts, which activate your back muscles and improve posture. If you have a chronically tight muscle, maybe from sitting at a desk all day, a brief 15-20 second static stretch is okay, but keep it short and focus on relaxing into the stretch. After your workout, switch gears to static stretching. This is where you hold a stretch in a fixed position. Hold each stretch for 30-60 seconds, allowing your muscles to lengthen and relax. Focusing on the muscles you just trained, this helps reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery. Breathe deeply and relax into each position. This will help you get the most out of your stretches. No pain, just gentle tension. You should feel a comfortable stretch, not a sharp or stabbing pain. On rest days, consider a longer full-body static stretching session to improve overall flexibility, or yoga session to boost mobility and aid recovery. Yoga combines stretching with mindfulness, offering a holistic approach to flexibility and well-being. This balanced approach keeps you flexible, strong, and ready for anything life throws your way, both inside and outside the gym. Remember, dynamic before, to prepare your muscles for action. Static after, to cool down and promote recovery. Make stretching a consistent part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth or drinking water. Your body will thank you for the increased mobility, reduced soreness, and improved overall performance. So, what's the final word? It's not about if you should stretch, but how and when. Ditch the old habit of long static stretches before workouts. Use dynamic stretching to warm up. Get your blood flowing and your muscles ready. Save static stretching for after your workout, when your muscles are warm and pliable. This science-backed approach boosts performance, reduces injury risk, and improves long-term flexibility. Be consistent, be smart, and tailor your routine to your needs. Dynamic to prep, static to recover, that's the formula. Move better, feel better, and get the most from every workout.